तुर्तुक यही है ना? Bridge is kind of temporary thing. I got some eatables along with me in case I might need. I'm about to reach Dikshit. Tyakshi is just 2 kilometers now. So guys, welcome back to the channel. It's off-road. He's going on-road and I'm going off-road. This is fun. Riding at 60 and this off-road is like, this is crazy stuff. Off-roading ka to asli maze ab aa gaye. Just check out the roads, man. They're damn. Oh man, what happened to him? Just reached a place called Turtuk and it started raining, so I decided to put on my rain gear. I got some eatables along with me in case I might need. I'll be wrapping up my luggage in case of a harsh rain. I don't want my luggage to be drenched. Right now it's not raining, but still I equipped myself because it's been raining intermittently in different paths. It's kind of confusing, so I decided to put on my rain gear and so that I remain dry. Bye. It's around 128 kilometers to Turtuk from this spot. It started to rain and then the showers went off and it's that nice and clean weather. Oh, I can see some bikers there. There's them all, man. Oh, I like these curves. But you got to be gentle on these curves. Wow, freaking amazing, freaking awesome. So as we take this shortcut route from here, aha, kya maze hai. I just say, okay, this is kind of a break point, and there you can camp and do whatever things you want to. This thing is not on my list as of now. I'll stick to my plan. Head over straight to Turtuk. I've heard a lot about it. I was really fascinated. At that very point I decided that come what may, I will be visiting Turtuk. Oh, this is a different topography here and it is like very, very, very great. It's really amazing, man. The entire view is... oh, what view. Oh, what view, man. Sumur is 17 and Panamik is 40 kilometers from here. Oh, what can I find at petrol station? Ladakh karting, okay. Oh, there it is. The petrol station is there. अब क्या करें? कहाँ जाना है आपको? मुझे जाना है तुर्तुक भाई. I'm thrilled. Seriously, I'm thrilled to see this. No, right in between the lap of the mountains, getting this road straight ahead and... okay, man. This kit is 14 kilometers. So I was about to get my petrol tank filled, but unfortunately I met that petrol station boy and he said that he is out of it and that... still, the thing is, he told me that he would be getting another petrol station after 14 kilometers, so let's hope. This road leads to Turtuk. I have no words, I'm lost. From this spot, Turtuk is say 97 kilometers from this spot. Oh man, these mighty mountains. Wow. This one. So much greenery from this side. This is heaven. This is some kind of monastery there. Grand Nubra Hotel. I'm about to reach Dikshit. Turtuk is around say 86 kilometers now, and you can see greenery all over the place. Not on this side, but on the right side.
It's 3 and I reached there, and I'll be leaving in a while towards Turtuk. Let me show a view around. Now, see you in the next shot, preferably in Turtuk. Till then, take care, bye bye, and love is.
These sand dunes are just amazing. They look cool. Okay, have to be careful with the sand. Oh, look at the mighty view of the mountains, man. Oh, this has been taken by the Indian Army. The garrisons. Okay, some statues over there. Tribute to Siachen warriors. This elevation is like, oh, amazing. And it slopes all the way down to that side, like this. This is some base camp. It's their post. This is next level, brother. Looks kind like okay, what mountains and this is a plain road, but the atmosphere, it's a different feeling. It can only be felt when you come and visit this place here. The barbed wire. Those. I'm about to reach Those. Those is at a distance of about 1 kilometer from here. Leaps and round. It's Air Force Station. Okay. This is the Air Force Station Those. And I can see the strip over there. That side. Okay guys, let me give you an update. I just had a chit chat with one of the locals over here. He said that the mountain right in front of me is the India-Pakistan LOC border. This is a border area, and I'm going beyond Turtuk. There's a village. I'm going to that village. It's around say 5-6 kilometers beyond Turtuk, so that I'll have some close look of the India-Pakistan LOC border. Let's see what I'm to witness. 54 kilometers still left for Turtuk. It'll be one of the most memorable trips I've ever had. Turtuk! Yahi hai na? Oh man, they're doing commendable job here. Okay. Oh, there's okay. Oh, mighty view, man. We're passing the way first. Oh, what road is it, man? This. So, Changmar, still 37 kilometers to Turtuk, and wave is amazing as always. Just that these big boulders are very much closer with the road now. Oh, this is something I don't know, not visible from here. School, Changmar. There's a government middle school, Changmar there, and this looks so good. Like a little bit of this thing. I'm about to cross this bridge. Oh man. Okay. This bridge is kind of temporary thing, but I like it. Okay, man. Turtuk, I believe, is from this very thing or not. अभी देखते हैं यार तुर्तुक कहाँ से. तुर्तुक तो यही से मुझे दिखा था, पर फिर वहाँ पर मुझे ऐसे क्यों हो गया. सो अभी दोबगंग पहुँचे वहाँ. दोबगंग अराउंड 7-8 किलोमीटर होगा यहाँ से. Oh, another bridge. Oh, oh, feels great, man. These are the waters of Indus River. Good. Okay, thanks. And now I'll be connecting again back to that road. I would be staying in Turtuk. I'll have to stay in Tyakshi. Tyakshi is another 7-8 kilometers away from Turtuk. I had a contact with one of the said he has a surprise for me. Let's see. Well, this road is. The mountains are now different in this region. Yeah, in that very region it was like kind of like, you know, mud and all boulders, and this is rock solid, and it's got that, you know, muddy color to it. I don't know what exactly you know this rock is. Oh man. What a view. What a view, man. Oh. I have already reached Turtuk. As you can see, I left that village, but now I'm heading towards Tyakshi, because I believe it's the last village. Oh man, these rock cuttings are amazing. What a view, man. Yes, I'm alert, brother. Tyakshi is just 2 kilometers now. अच्छा, आ जा साइड में, गाड़ी को छोड़ दो. Oh, this is Tyakshi, and now I'm looking for my person whom I need to contact with. I'll just ask someone else. नजीर साहब का गेस्ट हाउस यहाँ पर है. नजीर साहब का.
नजीर साहब.
हाँ.
नजीर इधर है आगे.
कहाँ है?
पुलिस के आगे जा रहा. पुलिस के आगे.
हाँ.